Hello. Today we're going to explore a fascinating question. The question is, can we travel into the future? Time travel, it's a concept that continues to intrigue us in both imagination and science. But is it truly possible? Today, we'll dive into Einstein's theories, quantum mechanics, and much more that brings time travel closer to reality. Time travel, simply put, is the idea where someone can travel beyond their present time, either to the past or into the future. As shown in movies, characters travel through time, visiting the past to change history or exploring the future to discover what's to come. But what does real science say about this? The main scientific theory we use when talking about time travel comes from Albert Einstein's theories. The renowned scientist changed our understanding of space and time through his special theory of relativity and general theory of relativity. According to Einstein's special relativity, if an object is moving close to the speed of light, time for that object slows down compared to objects that are at rest. This phenomenon is known as time dilation. For example, if you traveled in a spaceship at 99% the speed of light, you would age much slower compared to someone on Earth. If you spent 1 year in space, many years could pass on Earth, even though you'd have only experienced 1 year. This is effectively traveling into the future from your perspective. Now, you may be wondering, does this actually happen? Is time dilation a real effect? It does, in fact, occur. Astronauts in space experience a small amount of time dilation. For instance, their clocks move at a different pace than those on Earth due to the high speeds and low gravity they experience in space. However, we currently don't have the technology to travel at speeds anywhere near the speed of light. So these effects are very small and not easily noticeable. Another form of time dilation occurs due to gravitational fields. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, time flows slower near massive objects because of their strong gravitational pull. So, if you were near a black hole or another extremely massive object, time would pass much slower for you compared to someone far from such an object. So, the question is, can we actually travel to the future? Yes, according to Einstein's theories, traveling to the future is possible. But to do so, we'd need to move at speeds close to the speed of light. While our current technology doesn't allow for that, if a spaceship were ever built that could achieve that speed, we could theoretically travel into the future. This could mark the beginning of a new era, where we, as humans, could transcend time itself. But when it comes to time travel to the past, the situation becomes more complicated. Traveling to the past leads to numerous paradoxes. For instance, the famous grandfather paradox suggests that if you went back in time and killed your grandfather, you would never have been born, which creates a logical contradiction. This implies that traveling to the past might not be possible, or might require new rules to avoid such paradoxes. Some theories propose that wormholes could be a potential way to travel to the past. A wormhole is a theoretical tunnel that connects two distant points in space and time. If such a structure were to exist, it could allow us to travel between different points in time, not just space. However, wormholes are purely theoretical and have not been discovered. Even if they did exist, stabilizing and navigating them would require immense amounts of energy and technology we currently don't have. Now, if we look at the practical side of time travel, we face many limitations. Currently, we don't have the technology to travel anywhere near the speed of light, and the energy required to create the necessary gravitational fields for time dilation is beyond our current capabilities. However, scientists are working on advancing our understanding of space, time, and energy. And maybe one day, we'll be able to manipulate time as we know it. So, can we truly travel through time? The answer isn't entirely clear, but one thing is certain. Time travel to the future is possible according to the principles of relativity. However, time travel to the past remains a more speculative and paradoxical challenge. As science advances, we may discover new ways to unlock the secrets of time travel. Now, what do you think? Do you believe time travel is possible? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share this video. See you in the next video with another exciting topic. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.